Hi guys, happy Tuesday. Sorry for the clutter sa likod. Hindi ko pa siya fully na-organize. But look at that little crops right here. Oh, kay Kali yan. Anyway, so, ang eating nga dinner, ito yon iluto ko na. Ako hindi siya mag-focus. Mag-focus there. Ano ba? Chicken fingers siya. It's a tenders. I'm not sure if you can hear me clearly. Oh my God. Kasi I'm watching volleyball. Creamline versus Galleries Tower. I'm about to log in a few minutes. I know that it's been a while since I posted here sa YouTube. Just life happened. I'm also having coffee here. A few weeks ago, I posted sa TikTok asking for recommendations on or suggestions sa brands ng coffee maker na maganda and yung small yung capacity. Pero nung weekend, we went to Robinsons sa Mandalagan. And then, we went to Handyman and then we saw, originally, I want this brand. I'm gonna put the picture here. But, nung pumunta kami sa KJ Fairmart, parang defective siya. Kasi last stock na lang siya. So, we found this sa Handyman. And yung price, parang 15 pesos, 20 pesos lang yung price difference. So, same lang. And capacity, same din. And then, like, what I was looking for is yung parang hindi siya rounded yung top. So, di ba, similar sila. So, I bought this one sa Handyman nung weekend. And so, we are making coffee from that coffee maker every day since. Ang gastos mag-order ng coffee every day. And yung sabi ko nga sa video ko, parang humahapdi yung chan ko every time I drink yung mga 3-in-1 lang. And I wanted to use, I wanted to dip this sa Lady's Choice na mayonnaise, yung plain lang. Pero wala, ubusan na pala ako, wala na sa rest. You have to buy it. Kasi ang ganda niya dun. Like, if you dip this. Siguro masarap din to pag ranch talaga. I don't know how to make ranch eh. They want to challenge the floor defense, the net defense, the soft touches, finding the holes in the floor defense of the full smashers. Oh my gosh. Ang pangit pa ng audio ko kanina. Sorry naman. So, I'm done eating. And naka-log in na din ako. I mean, kanina pa ako naka-log in. Naubos ko na lang yung coffee ko. Oh, grabe naman yung darkness dito. Naubos ko na lang yung coffee ko. And, yeah, binabantayan ko na lang si Kali in case na magising siya kasi I'm gonna feed her. Siguro I'm gonna dream feed her 9:30 or 10. Umaabot naman siya ng hanggang 6 hours. 6 hours. Grabe, dun talaga ako nakatip. Umabot siya minsan ng 6 hours na walang feed and that's the maximum na I allow her without feed. So, pag 6 hours na, regardless if tulog pa siya, pinifeed ko talaga siya. Pero so far, yung gumagalaw-galaw siya. Nandito siya. There she is. Sa kabilang kwarto siya. Because nandito ako sa kabila. So this room actually, originally, the plan is for this to be her room. So siguro, when she grows up, ito talaga yung magiging room niya. But for now, this is gonna be my office. Office na hindi pa, oh my gosh. Pero sige lang. I don't wanna pressure myself kasi we're not moving naman na. The reason lang na I was not, I mean, we still organize stuff doon sa apartment. But hindi ko talaga siya in-effortan kasi sabi ko nga, we're still moving. So, yan yung mga stuff na need ko pang i-put away. This stand actually, in-order ko siya sa Shopee. Because I thought, okay siya to use because nagla-live selling ako before ng mga clothes ng babies. Meron pa nga dyan yung iba. So yeah, parang hindi ko talaga siya nagamit. So I'm not sure how I'm going to store that or siguro ipamimigay ko na lang. And then, speaking of pamigay, although hindi naman siya binigay, pinost ni Belle yung bassinet namin na nakatambay lang dito before. Kasi hindi na siya ginagamit ni Kali. Hindi na siya safe for Kali kasi yun nga si Kali is already sitting down and is already standing up. So, hindi safe yung bassinet for that. Parang she used the bassinet hanggang she was 4 months. So yun. After that, hindi na siya namin nagamit. Parang nilagyan na lang namin siya ng stuff. Looking at this room, parang ang dami ko pang ang dami pa namin need na i-set up talaga. Gosh, I listened to the clips and then pangit din pangit pa rin pala yung audio. Actually, let me listen to this clip and then I'll see if my difference. Wait. You know what? Better pa rin to. This is the Boya na microphone. Dalawa yung lapel. Lapel tawag dito. I don't know. Basta dalawa yung ganito niya and then yung receiver nandito sa phone. And I'm using this kasi yun nga, I'm watching YouTube and then medyo malakas yung volume. Going back to the microphone, this is better. You can hear me. And if you can hear the difference, I'm sure you can. Yung isa kanina is this wireless level, ang tawag dito, na microphone from TNW. Tama? TNW, yes. And minsan, okay naman siya, pero I don't know. Bakit parang nasa underwater ako? You know what? I realized, 'di ba last year ba 'yon or 2024? 'Di ba nag-YouTube ako, nag-film ako. And then when I actually found out that I was pregnant, before I found out I was pregnant, parang medyo tinamad na ako. Parang palagi na lang akong pagod. Tapos yun nga, it turned out I was pregnant. So, parang tinamad ako mag-video ng kahit mga daily moments lang. And looking back sa mga videos, na-realize ko, ang ganda pala pag nag-video ka, nag-film ka, ng mga random stuff lang, or yung daily life nyo lang. Kasi when you look back and watch those videos, parang, nangyari pala yun, nagawa pala namin yun, nasaya naman namin noong time na yun. Parang ganon, may mga ganong moments. So, yeah, I'm trying my best to do this again. Film our daily lives para in the future when I look back, parang may babalikan ako ng mga memories. So, yun. Yun lang naman siya. I'm really gonna try to do this more consistently than before. Kasi kapagod yung mag-edit. As in, I mean, hindi naman kailangan bongga-bongga yung edit, but you really have to sit down, have to re-watch all the clips, and then edit. Parang ganun ba? And of course, you want the video din naman to be pleasing sa mga manunood kahit konti lang. Diba? Hi, it's already 10. And si Kali parang nagigising-gising na siya, so punta na ako dun. And then I'm gonna make her milk. Punta na ako ng milk. Hindi ko naubos yung kape ko kasi I was caught up sa work. So, lumamig na siya, but it's okay. Just gonna and the water. Actually, I'm gonna do this here kasi ito, it's always very puno. So, I need to buy the yung parang press na lang. Okay, I'm gonna go inside the room. There she is.
Okay, so I just finished feeding. I just finished feeding Kali milk. As you saw, meron pang natirang um, mga sobra sa 2 ounce. So ito, this was from the freezer. Ito yung na-prepare ko na rice, broccoli, and squash or pumpkin. So I'm gonna put it sa taas na part ng fridge. Can you still hear me? If ganito, wala akong microphone eh. Oh my gosh. Wala akong microphone and then ito ba yung match kanina? Yung replay? Ito siguro yung replay. Ito nga yung replay. Because I was watching sa website mismo ng PBL kanina, ng Creamline and Gallery Side Tower. And then, nung I was feeding Kali, naka-on lang yung YouTube and then nag-autoplay. Balis sa weekend, actually, wala kami dito sa weekend. We are going out kasi birthday ng brother-in-law ko. And, my sister rented a place sa May Alanginan. So, we're going there for the weekend. Okay, check ko pala yung audio kasi wala nga akong microphone and then nakatutok talaga yung electric fan dito sa akin and then yun nga, yung ano kanina, yung YouTube was playing in the background. So, let's see. Better pa yung ano, na walang microphone. I have a meeting with my manager today. There we'll see, 10 a.m. CST. Yes. I have to reschedule kasi meron akong conflict. You know guys, I'm excited. Kasi sa weekend, di ba we're going out and then may pool kasi doon. It's considered public kahit na we're renting out the place exclusively, but you know, the pool is still public. Hopefully, they maintain it well kasi I'll have Kali swim. So, nag-order, di ba pumunta kami ng Rob last weekend? Before kami pumunta sa Handyman, we went to Toys R Us kasi humanap kami ng floaters or yung yung floaters para sa mga babies. So, we found one na appropriate for her age. So, we bought it. Okay, wait. That was Slack. Bumili kami ng salbabida for her. Hindi naman kami always magsuswim or go out to swim. I think she can still use it when she's over a year old. Anyway, I also ordered this online. Ako na talaga yung excited. Okay, anyway. So, yun siya. Yung size niya is 80 yung nakalagay dito. 80 daw is from 6 months to 12 months. So, ito siya. So, long sleeve siya and then shorts. Shorts siya. Lalaban ko to before ko pa-try sa kanya. And then, it comes with this hat. Diba? Boga. Yan. And then, may siya sa likod. Para tatabunan din yung sa batok niya. I also bought her sunscreen a few months ago pa. Pero I didn't use it sa kanya. Kasi wala naman kami activities talaga na, will stay under the sun for a long time. So, timing siya for this weekend. So excited. Kali is really growing, guys. Oh my gosh. So, out ko na Harap ako caught out. But I'm gonna show you my view here sa room. Tada! Okay. Open ang window. Ang maganda siya sa room. So, diri nga side. Sa hapon, namin na siya kay tawag siya mountains namin ang view. So, i-close ko na natin kay kita ang view ko sa sagwa. change ko ba yun? Kay Gina, si Kali, nag-poop siya, and then, after ko wash siya, iya. Pagsulod naman sa kwarto ko, I still can smell the poop. Tapos pag-check ko sa bayo, kung may gamay nga, gamay na poop. So, change ko. I'm gonna clock out, and then I think I'm just gonna wash some dishes. Tulog pa si Kali.
Parang boring naman nun. Kaya nyo na isip sa sarili nyo yun eh. Ang iniisip ko dito, ano ba?
She's still asleep. I'm gonna wash some dishes and I'm gonna wash her bottle siguro. And then I'm gonna rest. I don't know. I might also go sa room and sleep with her. We'll see. Hello! Say hi, Anay Kali! Kali is eating. Say hi.
Patuyo ka.
Sleepy ka? So she's eating rice with ano kaya yan? Pumpkin and broccoli. Ay, naano po yung huli ka? Chew! Good chewing! And then we ordered ni sa
Sa community.
sa community. Gucci, ube with cheese, mozzarella. Hindi ko nung mozzarella, sorry, plain. Ouch! And I'm cooking. Ano na yun? Chicken curry. So, ma-add na ko gata. Ay, hindi pa. So, ano na siya? Ang situation right now. Hindi pa ako nakasoft. Dagdag nga. Ay. Nega. Say hi, Anay. Hi, baby girl. Yes! Yes, 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 yes. Ma-try to sa Ma-try to sa ito.
Ano naman natin? Same?
Yeah.
Ano ka ng chicken sa kanila?
Bachi. Uy, gina pa. Bailan na na Ayan.
Pangalawa.
Good cheese. Ano? You want buchi? So now I'm trying the ube one. Oh, sinabi mo naman uli. So, umalis na sila ni ano ba kami? So, pumunta dito sila ni Andrea and ni Belle kasi hinatid nila yung swim diapers na they bought. So, binili namin to sa Baby Stork, Bacolod. And then, binigay ng cousin ko, oh my gosh, this is for Kali. I was actually planning to buy a sippy cup for her. Pero yung sippy cup na may straw and may gravity ball para she can drink milk or water kahit naka-stand, sit down, or nakahiga. Yeah, thank you so much, Manong Mike. Napatulog siya ng Mike. Kasi grabe. Oh my gosh. Diba uso ngayon yung yung Dubai Chewy Chuki. Dubai Chewy Chuki. Dubai Chewy Cookie. So, I'm gonna try. I ordered sa friend ni Mike, diba? I mentioned ko kanina. So, I'm gonna try it now. Okay. Tapos, nung pumunta dito sila ni Belle, may dala din sila na Dubai Chewy Cookie ng Coffee O'Clock. We tried that. Tinira nila ako ng isa. But ito, binili ko sa former office mate ni Mike. Meron siyang home cafe. There. 4 to, pero yun nga, kinain nila ni Belle yung isa. So, I'm gonna try it. Medyo messy to eh. Right. Ay. Nilagay ko kasi siya sa fridge. Ano siya? Actually, nag-order na ako nito sa kanya last week. And ngayon, parang pinalaki niya yung size. And then, yung mixture parang binago niya. Or dinamihan niya ng pistachio cream. Grabe naman yung marshmallow. Luckily, nung una nito, malapit lang sila sa amin. So, easy access siya. Amin nyo? Skali. Actually, yung Dubai Chewy Cookie, parang there's nothing really special sa kanya. Yun nga, nag-trending nga lang siya. Siguro kasi bago. Woke up, or I just woke up from our nap, and my girl and Callie are there. There they are. Callie! Hi!